Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum, my dear YouTube family. How are you all? I hope you all are fine and fit and doing well. In today's video, guys, I'm showing you the most amazing and outstanding round crochet table runners ideas, which are very beautiful and amazing. I hope you like all my these designs. If you like my these designs, so guys, please do subscribe to my channel. Round in this video, I'm showing you the round crochet table runner ideas, beautiful crochet patterns for home decoration. Looking for unique and stylish crochet table runner design? In this video, you will find creative round crochet table runner ideas that can transform your dining table, coffee table, or side table into something truly elegant. From lace doily patterns to mandala style runner, these designs are perfect for beginners as well as advanced crochet lovers. Whether you love classic vintage crochet, modern minimalist style, or colorful mandala themes, these crochet runner ideas will inspire you to create handmade pieces that add charm to your home. You can use them for festive decor, daily dining, or special occasions like weddings and parties. In this video, there are many ideas like mandala round crochet runners, lace doily inspired designs, floral crochet motifs, pineapple stitch patterns, sunburst and starburst runners, minimalist solid color designs, seasonal crochet themes, snowflakes, snowflowers, and more. Add beauty to your home with these elegant round crochet table runners. And bring a touch of handmade love to your design. Elegant and vintage style bring elegance to your dining space with these beautiful round crochet table runner ideas. Perfect for those who love classic lace, doily patterns, and vintage charm. Whether you want a centerpiece for your dining table or decorative accent for your coffee table, these crochet runners add timeless beauty to your home. Crochet runner, table decor, crochet doily, handmade decor. Looking for something simple yet minimalist, classy? These modern round crochet table runner ideas are perfect for minimal home decor from solid single color designs to elegant lace patterns. These runners are ideal for everyday dining and modern living spaces. Colorful and mandala inspired, add a pop of color to your home with these mandala inspired crochet table runners with bright, beautiful shades and circular patterns. These crochet runners are perfect for festivals, parties, and boho style homes. Handmade art that truly stands out. Seasonal crochet runners celebrate every season with seasonal crochet round table runners from delicate snowflake design for winter to snowflower runners for summer. These crochet patterns bring a festive touch to your table decor, perfect for holidays, weddings, or everyday use. Luxury crochet table runner give you a table luxurious handmade touch with these round crochet table runner ideas. Elegant lace, delicate stitches, and timeless patterns make these runners perfect for wedding, parties, or classy home decor. Crochet art that speaks beauty. Floral crochet table runner bring nature indoors with floral round crochet table runner. Each design is inspired by flowers, petals, and natural beauty, making your dining and coffee table look fresh and vibrant, perfect for spring and summer decor. Sunburst crochet runner brighten up your home with sunburst and starburst crochet table runners. These round patterns radiate energy and charm, making them ideal for modern, festive, and boho style homes. Add color, joy, and creativity to your space. Holiday crochet table runners with style using round table crochet runners designed for Christmas, Eid, Thanksgiving, and more, from snowflake lace to festive mandala colors. These runners are perfect for holiday dining tables and decor. Everyday crochet runner, simple, minimal, and handmade with love. These round crochet table runner ideas are perfect for daily home use, easy to make and beautiful to display. They bring warmth and coziness to your dining table. Thank you so much guys for watching my video, and thanks a lot for give me more and more support and more love to my video. I'll be right back very soon with another new and creative ideas. Till then, take care of yourself a lot. I'll be right back very soon.